रानी जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपीजन जय राधे श्याम राधे राधे श्याम श्याम राधे 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 श्याम हरे राधे श्याम जुगल नाम मेरो है जीवन राधे श्याम जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय नंदन मदन मोहन राधिका रमन नंदन मदन मोहन जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपीजन जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपीजन हो भई सहचरी राधे रानी की हरे नित्य सेवा वृंदावन महारानी के नित्य सेवा वृंदावन जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय राधे रानी हरे नित्य सेवा वृंदावन नित्य सेवा वृंदावन जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपीजन जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपीजन जय ओ मेरा एक प्राण धन एक जीवन मेरा एक प्राण धन सबरे नंदन मदन मोहन राधिका रमन जय राधा जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन हरे राखर किशोरी ठाकुरानी राखर जय वृंदावन मेरा एक प्राण धना जीवन मेरा एक प्राण धना Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, everybody come listen Harikatha. What are you doing?
Todos venham ouvir o Harikatha.
Everybody come Harikatha. Huh? Who can't to listen? Huh?
Can you direct listen English? So can you go back, as you can directly understand English, can come from. Then simultaneously you can come.
Radio.
Radio.
Yes, my radio there again.
Everybody has radio.
Everybody has mobile.
Huh?
Quem não tem rádio então?
Who has mobile?
Quem tem celular aí com rádio? Precisa ouvir inglês.
Quem está sem tradução no rádio? Quem não tem acesso ao rádio? 1, 2, 3.
Já pode usar meu celular no seu telefone.
É só acessar o rádio FM. Todo Android tem rádio FM, estação 100.
Rádio
Quem
FM,
tem iPhone
estação
não tem.
100.
Só quem tem Android mesmo. Mas o iPhone, aí tenta talvez compartilhar com quem tenha. Ou então acessar perto, ou então ouvir.
Não.
Vai, Facebook vai dar. Oi?
Algum celular e o fone de ouvido. No Facebook também vai estar.
Também vai estar no Facebook também.
Eu tenho a antena do rádio.
Eu tenho rádio 100, 100.0.
Ou no Facebook, Ana Madura Brasil.
Okay.
Tá bom? Fone de ouvido?
First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances to the lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pad, Ashtutara Satyamad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pad Bhakti Vedanta, Swami Maharaj, Srila Guru Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees, all Vaishnavis and present of my respectful guests.
Da rádio é 100.
There are two kinds of lila of Krishna. Krishna, two kinds of lila. Sajan Poshan Lila. What did I say?
Sajan Poshan Lila.
Sajan Poshan Lila. Sajan Poshan means, Lord, He nourishment. His own favorable person. That is called Sajan Poshan. Or another is called Asur Mohan Lila. Asur Mohan. And he illuminate what is called.
Deludes delusion.
Huh?
Deludes delusion. Mohan, delusion.
Delusion. In the heart of the demonic people. As like when nectar, Amrit, coming from the ocean, then demigod and demon, they also eager to take that thing. Then Lord Vishnu manifests in the form of Mahini Sarup. Mahini Rup, nice. Lord Vishnu himself manifested from a very nice, beautiful young girl. Very nice, beautiful, long eyes, nose, hands, legs, everybody, very beautiful actress. Depict the beauty of Miss Universe. Then, when Asura saw this Lord Mohini Sarup, then they already forget to drink the nectar. They want to take nectar of the beauty of Mohini. Is it true or wrong? But they want to also drink the nectar. Then Lord told them, okay, I will give to you both. Mohini Devi, she told, I will feed you nectar. But see, two rows. And one rose, Devatas, demigod will sit, and another rose, Asura can sit. Understand? Then Mohini Devi, she told, listen, Devatas, they are your elder brother, or you are younger brother. So I have to first give this nectar to Devatas because they are elder brother. Then I will give you to you. And then Asuras and Devatas, they also agreed. Yes, good. Actual Lord, he gave this nectar to demigod. And finally he also Vanchit, deprived. To that they had the Asuras. He did not give it. But two Asuras, they also thinking maybe I will not get. It is better I will sit where the sun and moon. In the middle they sit. That is called Rahu and Ketu. That lila is going on this. Then Lord also gave them that time moon and sun, they indicate to Lord Mohini, oh, they are not belongs to Devatas. But Lord already gave to the little bit nectar. Then Lord, he cut their head with the Sudarshan Chakra. Understand? Then the two pieces, body two pieces. Then become very angry and because sun and moon, they indicate for this God they want to serve. But is already their neck also here cut. And entered in the mouth and coming out. That is called the eclipse. Grahan. One is called which Grahan? Lunar eclipse. Another is called solar eclipse. Now coming also, no? This time coming. Which eclipse coming? I think solar eclipse coming, no? This time you can see the Surya Grahan is coming. You will check Panjika. In this way, Lord, he also cheat the demons, but he gave them nectar to demigod. So in the same way, Lord, two kinds of lila. Another is called Sajan Pasan lila, another is called Asur Mohan lila. In the same way, Guru Vaishnava are the same lila. Because Krishna jate gun bhakti sangha sanchari. All the qualifications of Krishna reflected in the heart of pure devotee. Buddha. But four gunas, Krishna's four qualities not reflected to anyone. What is that? Who knows? Rupa Madhurja, Prema Madhurja, Lila Madhurja or Venu Madhurja. The four sweetness mood not going to anyone. There is Krishna's own property. And other thing can reflect. So now coming this way, in the same way, Guru, Vaishnava, Bhagavan, all their activities called two ways. One is called Asur Mohan Lila, another called Sajan Pasan Lila. Just I also told to this Katha, morning Vak Katha Guru. You did not say, I again remind to you. So, one Gurudev, he went to the ocean And that some devotee, they hired one boat. Not big boat, small boat. When Gurudev, he was staying in Hawaii. Hawaii, understand? In the island. You went there? America, yes. Never been. Never been. Okay, come with me. So Gurudev, early in the morning, Gurudev went in the ocean with one very nice, beautiful boat. And maybe 10 or 15 devotees there, I think so. And Gurudev, after boat, what is it called? Right. Then he returned back. One sannyasi, I will not take the name of the sannyasi. He gave class, morning class. In morning class, he discussed about Suddha Bhakti. Anna Vilasita Sunnam Jnana Karma Dana Britam Anukulena Krishnanu Silanam Bhakti Dharma Uttama. He explained about Anna Vilasita Sunnam. Then very nicely explained, everybody, those who are sitting in front of him, spoke very nicely. Then his katha, he also told how possible Gurudev is Shuddha Bhakta. He used this word. Because he is going to ocean to see the fish. Because Gurudev morning, that time that Gurudev went to the ocean to see the fish. So that is the order. That means Gurudev is not free from Annavilas. Annavilas. Okay. Then when Gurudev came and heard this, and Gurudev slapped to him, this to be nonsense, what we are speaking. You compare with me. Do you know? I went to the ocean to see the fish. This is true. But what the fish? When I see the fish, then I remember the sweet pastimes of Matsya Avatar Katha. Pralaya Prayadhi Jale Dhita Bhanu Sivedam Vihita Daitra Charitra Makhedam Kesa Badhrita Meena Sarira Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Your morning walk and my morning walk, your looking see a fish or my looking fish not same. Gurudev gave very nice explanation. Matsya Avatar Katha. How Krishna himself manifested in the form of the incarnation of fish. Srila Jayadeva Goswami Pad in his highest book glorify about 10 incarnation of Kesava. Kesava Dhrita Meena Sarira Jai Jagadisha Hare. Kesava Dhrita Kurma Sarira Jai Jagadisha Hare. Kesava Dhrita Sukara Rupa Jai Jagadisha Hare. Because those are Shuddha Bhakta. Their vision or conditional soul vision completely what? Different. Kamuka pasanti kaminmai jagat. This is the proverb. Kamuka pasanti kaminmai jagat. Lusty person. He looks everybody also lusty. Because his heart is full of lust. For this regard he looks everybody also lusty. As like me, he is thinking. So Sanskrit word, this proverb explains Kamuka pasanti kaminimai jagat. But those who are pure devotee of Lord, their conception different. One day I told, the Shuddha Bhakta, whatever you are looking, automatically Krishna Lila manifests in his heart. That time one devotee asked, only one pure devotee, if you look sweet, very nice, beautiful young girl, what lila will come? Gopis lila will come. How gopis, they are beautiful form. Eh? Then he asked, if the Suddha Bhakta look very ugly girl, then what lila will come in his heart? Uttanabad lila will come, why not? Eh? Those who are pure devotee, what you are looking? Everything is related with Krishna. Krishna lila. You understand these things. This is the thing. And those who are non-devotee but envious people, even their heart is not neat and clean, full of anarthas. They are looking this. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada gave an example. Your glasses. If your glass is white color, yellow color, so what do you look? Everything is what? Yellow. If your glass red color, what do you see? Everything red. This is true or wrong? When the glass transfer in white to what is it called? Black. You know? What is it called? This glass is when the sun rays coming. That time also glass also. Transition glass coming. Understand? Protection of your eyes. This my glass, if you put the sun rays, automatically what? Protection the eyes. So what will you see? Everything will be. So everybody can see but can understand everything according to their own vision. But art. This is your truth. Everybody understand according to their own level. So those who criticize, that time Suddha Bhakta, what is happening? Cheat to them, माने वंचित कर देते हैं. वंचित understand? चलो. Are those who are pure, those who are favorable and giving mercy. This is the thing. So Lord two kinds of lila, just I will explain. One is called Sajan Posan lila, or another is called Asur Mohan lila. Lord lila always saying in this way. Some lila Krishna lila Maya Bijrivinta lila also. Krishna is doing this. Everybody cannot understand. Maya Bijrivinta lila. How Krishna departed from this material world, Krishna is Bhagavan. That lila is called Maya Bijrivinta lila. Many things in there. Other things also I told when you morning walk. What do you think? Yes, Srimati Radhika, I told her now. She is going her house. After meeting of Kunja Bhanga Lila. Then Krishna, he is going to Nandagaon. Or Srimati Radhika, she is going to Javat. But when Srimati Radhika, she is going to Javat, but she completely absorbed with Krishna. And she is remembering Krishna is with me. Her eyes just half open. That is called Ardha Unmilitam Nektra. Her eyes little bit open. And almost she is sleeping. and she also hold the shoulder of another Sakhi. Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, and she is going. In the meantime, Srimati Radhika's, what is it called? Cloth. Dupatta. Dupatta, understand? Around the neck. That cloth. Stuck in the one throne. Then Srimati Radhika, she is saying, Muncha Muncha. Balo opi no janasi. Hey Krishna, you are completely innocent, baby. You have no idea about prema. And now morning, people are coming out from their house. Why you are pulling my cloth? Please, don't pull my cloth. So saying with them, Muncha, Muncha mane, don't pull my cloth, mane, give up my cloth. Then in the meantime, Rupa Manjari, she told, Hey Radhe, here is no Krishna. So why, who is pulling my cloth? That time he said that the throne stuck her cloth. And so in this way, this lila is going on there also. So when you chant holy name, remembering these things. Bhakti Vinod Thakur gave blessing. Ei lila gao or Ei lila smaro or gao Krishna naam achirate Krishna prem pabe premadhan. And when you chant holy names, remember these pastimes, then slowly all your anarthas removed from your heart and attend to Krishna. Tannam Rupacharitadi Sukrito Nanu Smrito Krameno Rosana Manosi Nijaju Tishtan Brajit Tadanuragi Jananugami Kalang Nayat Akilam Itta Upadisa Saram. Rupa Goswami Path in his nectar of instruction. Tannamo Rupacharitadi Sukrito Nanu Smrito. When you chant holy names, I will chant holy names. Tannamo Rupa Guna Lila. Tannamo Rupa Charitadi. Charitadi. Charitadi means all the sweet pastimes of Krishna. The character of Krishna Katha. Tannamo Rupa. Rupa means Krishna's beautiful form. Krishna's beautiful name. When you chant holy names and remember Krishna's sweet names, Madhur Naam. Jai Jai Shyam Sundar Madan Mohan Vrindavan Chandra Jai Jai Radha Raman Ras Bihari Sri Gokula Nanda Jai Jai Radhe Govind Jaya Jai Jai Radhe Govind Jaya Radhe Govind Jai Jai Radhe Govind Jaya Radhe Govind Jai Jai Shyam Sundar Madan Mohan Vrindavan Chandra Jai Jai Shyam Sundar Jai Jai Radha Raman Ras Bihari Sri Gokula Nanda Jai Jai Radha Raman Jai Jai Raseswari Vinodini Bhanukula Chandra Jai Jai Raseswari Jai Jai Radhe Govind Jaya Radhe Govind Radhe Jai Jai Lalita Visakayadi Jata Sakhi Vinda Jai Jai Lalita Visakayadi Jai Jai Sirupa Manjari Rati Manjari Ananda Jai Jai Sirupa Manjari Rati Jai Jai Purnamasi Jogamaya Jata Vira Vinda Jai Jai Purnamasi Jogamaya Jata Vira Vinda Jai Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda Jai Sirupa Manjari Rati Manjari Ananda Jai Jai Sirupa Manjari Rati Jai Jai Purnamasi Jogamaya Jata Vira Vinda Jai Jai Purnamasi Jogamaya Hare Sabini Kara Kripa Ami Ati Mana Sabini Kara Kripa তোমরা কৃপা করি দেহ যুগল চরণার বিন্দ কৃপা করি দেহ যুগল जय जय राधे गोविंद जय राधे गोविंद राधे ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे तो रूप गोस्वामी पाद and in his nectar of instruction, Upadesamritam explained. They how an ordinary sadhak, Shanta holy name, tan nama rupar charitadi sukritananu smritu, kramena rasana monasi nijajju. Kramena means step by step. You engage your mind and with Krishna Nam and Krishna Katha. Understand? One long bamboo stick. At a time you cannot bend. Possible? What will do? Slowly, slowly. And at a time you will do, that will be what? Broke. Become in two pieces. So in the same way, sadhak, how will absorb your Nam Sankirtan? तन्नाम ऋचुकति सुकृतानुस्मृतो क्रमेण रसना मनसी निजज्यो तिष्ठन ब्रजे. Tishthan Braja means you have to stay in Vrindavan. Where you stay? But your mind have to stay in Vrindavan. Physically where you will stay, no problem. Now where are you now? Tajai. Tajai. Nice. What is a Tajai? Ta means Srimati Radhika. Jai means go. Go to Srimati Radhika. Understand? Ta Jai. Jai means to go. Ta means Srimati Radhika. And Ta Jai. Go to Srimati Radhika. Brazil, na Brajabasi. Gurudev told. Holland, not Holland. Holy Land. So wherever you go, Ta Jai. Guru Govinda Goswami Maharaj explained, Ni Tai. Ni Tai means what? Ne Tai. Ni Tai. Mane name and take. Tai means what I am giving, take. Hare Krishna Prem. Nityananda Prabhu he is giving Prema. Ne Tai. Everything depends on your heart. Chalo. Because Tannam Rupa Charitadi Sukritan Anusmrito Kramena Rasana Manasi Nijati. Tishthan Braje. Always stay in Braj. Tishthan Braje. Tadanuragi Jananugami. Tad Anuragi. One who completely absorbed in the mood of Madhurya Ras. And you will have to follow his footsteps. Tadanuragi. Jana Anugami. Those who are the eternal associate of Krishna. Krishna Janancha Prishta. Those who are very eternal associate of Krishna. Always associate with. Jananugami, Tadanuragi, Jananugami, Kalam Nayat Akilam Itta Upadesa Saram. Rupa Goswami Pad explained these words. This is the essence of all my nectar of instruction. Always remember to Krishna. Krishna Katha, Krishna. And engage your mind. Always Krishna Nam and Krishna Katha. Always I am saying, come Hari Katha. Wake up early in the morning, chant holy names. You okay? Wake up or not? Try to wake up. Wake up early in the morning. Then chant holy names. Brahma Murta. But Krishna Chakravarti Pad explains. ब्रह्म मूर्ते पठति पर्यतना जस्ते न वृंदावननाथ सक्सा सेवैव लब्धा जनुष अंत एव। श्रीमद् गुरु अष्टकम एतत् पठति जो उच्चै ब्रह्म मूर्ते पठति जो रजत्री पठति जस्ते न वृंदावननाथ साक्षात सेवैव लब्ध जनुष अंत एव। आफ्टर गिविंग अप दिस बॉडी 100% guarantee. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in this verse he is saying this life, just this life you give up this body, then you attain to Golok Vrindavan and direct serve to Radha and Krishna with your transcendental constitution form Siddha. This is Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. He is giving blessing to us. If you early in the morning wake up just to recite it, Gurvashtak. What is that? Samsaradava nalanira lokam pranaya karuna gana ganayatam pratasakallana gunarnavavasa Mande Guru Sri Charanaravinam Mahaprabhur Kirtananika Gita Madhita Madana Manasarasena Humanjakam Pasu Taranga Bhajo Mande Guru Sri Charanaravinam Aradhana Singaratan Mandira Majanadu Yuktasya Bhaktasya Niyundatopi Ande Guru Sri Charanaravinam Chaturvidha Sri Bhagavad Prasado Sadhanna Triptam Hari Bhakta Sangam Tripaiva Triptim Bhajata Sadeva Vande Guru Sri Charanaravinam Yasya Prasadat Bhagavat Prasad Yasya Prasadat Bhagavat Hayantu Antaraya Satsangam Vande Guru Sri Jasena Linda Vananata Satsa Evaiva Apajanata Eva Vande Guru Sri Charanaravinam Why Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad composed this verse? One life just to completely, absolutely surrender Lotus feet of Guru. This is very important. Guru Atma Samarpan. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told, Prabhu kaye gaya yatra safala amar jadakkan dekhilam charana tomar. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he came in Gaya for the offering his father, Shraddha. Shraddha, understand? Pindadan. Then he met with Ishar Paripad. Prabhu kaye gayatra safal amar jatakhan dekhilam charanatana. Mahaprabhu cried. And Mahaprabhu told to Ishar Paripad, my Gaya Jatra now successful. The pilgrimage of Gaya now successful. Why? Just I took darshan, your lotus feet. And Mahaprabhu very humble and told, you give me Diksha mantra. Then Ishwar Paripad gave him Diksha mantra. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nimai, he told, what? And what is called? After Diksha, you have to give some Dakshin, Guru Dakshin. And without Guru Dakshin, you cannot get the fruits. Understand? Have to give Guru Dakshin. What is the best Guru Dakshin? Guru Dakshin, that is called, listen his Hari Katha. Bona fide Guru always be happy if you listen Hari Katha from his mouth. He wants to give this thing. This is your Guru Dakshin. Not other thing. What will give? How much money will give to Guru? How much gold to give to Guru? What kinds of cloth will give to Guru? Bona fide Guru says, no, need anything. Just you give your ears. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he told, you give your ears. Ears means is what? Listen. You keep your money, wealth, gold, what thing in your pocket. But give what things to Guru? To ears. Hari Katha. Because the Hari Katha is very powerful. That is called Sabda Brahman. Transcendental vibration. This transcendental vibration, Hari Katha, enter in the ear, coming in your heart, and automatically clean all your honor. All your unwanted things, maybe your body. You can clean with the, what is it called? Soap. But how clean unwanted things inside your heart? Take one. Here is showing one. Soap here. See. Your heart will be clean or not? Pala. Govinda Priya. Pala. No. Only your heart will be inside heart. Antar Hridaya will be clean. Just listen. Hari Katha. Katham Maritam. Hari Katha. Only Hari Katha can clean your heart. Only Hari Katha can save you. No one can save you. Everybody also pulling your feet, going towards the Narak. This is one. And also gossiping, what is called? Criticize to each others. Your Guru is bona fide, my Guru is bona fide, or your Guru is not bona fide. I am bona fide person, or all you have to be nonsense. Speak Hari Katha. People, they don't want to speak Hari Katha. Only Hari Katha can protect you. Krishna Katham Mritam. For the Srimati Radhika did he say? Hala. Tava Katham Mritam Tapta Jivanam Kavi Viriditam Kalma Sahapaham Savana Mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvi Grinanti Te Bhuridayana Kathamritam Tapta Jivanam Kavi Viditam Kalma Sahapaham Savana Mangalam Srimadattatam Bhurinanti Te Bhuridayana 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 Kathamritam Sapta Jivanam Kavi Vidiritam Kalma Sahapaham Savana Mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvi the Jana. Bhuri means? What do you mean Bhuri? Pala.
Best donor.
Huh?
Best donor.
Best. Bhuri means best. Da means one who gives. Eh? One who gives the best donation. He is called Bhurida. What is the best donation? Eh? Krishna Kathamritam. One who glorifies about Krishna Katha. Eh? Because only Krishna Katha can protect us. Other Katha can. Eh? Krishna Katha. All you are gathering here. Eh? Why? Why again you will come with me, Mangalarti? Huh? Even you will not come in Mangalarti, I have chastisement sometimes. Why do you not come? Eh? Some you go, Maharaj, not good. Chastise to me. Huh? I chastise you for your benefit or my benefit? Huh? Your benefit. If you come Mangalarti, then you will get Mangal. Mangal, understand? Mangal means auspiciousness. Huh? Huh? Then you will, what is it called? Morning walk, chalo. If weather is good, go morning walk. Huh? All you are going. Then morning walk, chanting holy names. Then sit one place. Then listen Hari Katha. Huh? You listen Hari Katha or not? Huh? Then again coming back, take Mahaprasad. Huh? You took Mahaprasad or not? Huh? Then say, wait, come again. To Kirtan and Hari Katha. Kirtan Hari Katha. Huh? Hari Katha, Prasad. Prasad Hari Katha. Huh? Not other. Huh? Guru Vaishnava, they are to engage your mind in Krishna. And because conditioned soul, their mind is as like the tail of the dog. Dog tail. Dog tail, understand? What is that? Huh?
Never straight.
Never straight. Huh? That indeed. But Guru and Vaishnava, they want to straight your tail. Huh? That means your mind should be engaged in Krishna Naam and Krishna Katha. Not all that thing. Hari Katha, Hari Naam. Sometimes I told you, no need to cook, I will cook for you. Just to come, listen my Hari Katha. Oh no, I am cooking, that's the excuse. That stupid nonsense, come here. Listen Hari Katha. Saying or not? I will cook for you. Listen Hari Katha. Hari Katha is, why? The Hari Katha only protect life. Try to understand. No one can protect you. Everybody also bring to Maya. Just you have finished Hari Katha, then you come in backside, then start to gossiping. Mobile. But Guru Vaishnava, he always engage to you. How to absorb with Krishna Naam and Krishna Katha. So, Krishna Naam, only chant Krishna Naam. Only remember to Krishna. Smartabo sadato Vishnu. Vismartabo no jatu kahiche. Only remember to Krishna and never forget to him. And never criticize to anyone. Vaishnava Ninda. Never criticize Vaishnava. And those who criticize to Vaishnava, never associate with them. Mahaprabhu, this is the instruction of Mahaprabhu. Kaharina Ninda Pade, Krishna Krishna Bade. Aja Chaitanya say, Jini Bade. Never criticize to him. Gurudev one lecture also explained. Those who criticize to Vaishnava, what you will say about his Vaishnava? Even he is not human being. Gurudev lecture, listen. And one who criticizes to Vaishnava, he is not human being. And he is called animals, Posu or Sadham. So try to never criticize it. One life is just do bhajan and chant holy names, do bhajan and sadhan, and follow the four principles. This is very important also. Understand? Otherwise, if you not follow the four principles, people will criticize you or not. That is not criticize, will tell you what they are doing. Huh? What are they doing? If you not follow the four principles, understand? Chasing towards the other ladies and disturb with the ladies, they will be criticized or not. Then be Facebook, oh, this group, how they are doing this. Jai Govinda, he told me. What did he say? Fala Português.
Para Gurudeva que qualquer margem as pessoas elas vão poder criticar, então se a gente tiver aqui dentro de uma pessoa que ela está perturbando as mulheres, então automaticamente as outras pessoas vão dizer, lá na Gaudia Mata os homens estão correndo atrás de mulher e lá é permitido, ninguém faz nada, etc. E eu disse que estava preocupado para Gurudeva com essa situação, porque outras pessoas poderiam criticar. Né? Isso já aconteceu em outros lugares, como aconteceu no México, onde os devotos quebraram um templo de lá, né? Os devotos. Né?
You understand? I cannot understand what did he say, but I understand. This is true. This is true. And you have to clean your heart. Pavitra anta. Pardon? And because Krishna consciousness means there. How to clean our heart. This is very important. Otherwise, you will become Sahajiya, Soki, Beki, and ageless. Nirmal Charitra. Nirmal Charitra means good character, pure character. Your character should be good. So bhajan and chant. Chant holy name. This is very important or not? Nirmal Charitra. If your character is not good, if you do many things, no one faith you. So first is your good character. Your character should be good. This is very important. Mahaprabhu, heavy chastisement to Kala Krishna Das. Kala Krishna Das, understand? What is the story of Kala Krishna Das? Kala. You know the Kala Krishna Das?
I don't remember properly.
When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled in South India, and that time, one Brahman boy, he traveled with him. His name is called Krishna, Kala Krishna Das. So he was carrying the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's water pot, jalpatra, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's cloth. His name was Kala Krishna. But one place, one place Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, one kinds of group, that is called gypsy groups. You know gypsy? Their groups are staying one place, and sometimes they also collect some money, then leave another place to going to the gypsy. Gypsy, understand? Their clothes, everything, 4-5 clothes they are keeping, and then one group, one place to another place, and 5-10 days staying one place, but 1 month staying one place, then move another place. They are called, what is it? Gypsy. They have no own house. So, actually that Sanskrit, that they are called Bhattathari. Bhattathari. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in that place, in the gypsy, that means Bhattathari place, one very nice, beautiful young girl. And Kala Krishna Das completely what? Captivated with the gypsy young girl. Mahaprabhu's servant. Mahaprabhu's servant, what is his name? Kala Krishna. One day Mahaprabhu asked, hey, where is Kala Krishna Das? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan. He knows everything. Answer. Then they told, oh, now he is in the group of the gypsy. And that gypsy, they are very ferocious also. Understand? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu direct and went in the gypsy groups and caught Kala Krishna Das head. Hey, what is it called? Choti. That time gypsy, they attacked to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifest one Leela. They all gypsy are looking to each other. He is my enemy, he is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So both they were fighting to each other. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took Kala Krishna Das and brought in his place. What Portuguese? What did he say?
Deva disse que o servo de Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, que acompanhou ele no sul da Índia, se chama Kala Krishna Das. E certa vez eles estavam num lugar que tinha um grupo de ciganos. E esse Kala Krishna Das ficou muito atraído por uma jovenzinha cigana. Certo dia Mahaprabhu falou, cadê Kala Krishna Das? E aí ele foi ver, ele estava lá no meio deles. Mahaprabhu foi até eles, pegou ele pelo cabelo, pela cica, foi tirando. Só que como os ciganos eram muito violentos, eles tentaram atacar o Senhor Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mas Mahaprabhu fez essa lila, de que um cigano olhava para o rosto do outro e via Mahaprabhu. Então eles começaram a atracar-se, e aí Mahaprabhu pegou o Kala Krishna Das e foi embora.
But later Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also reject to him. That later he also made his own sampradaya, that is called Kalachandi Sampradaya. And if you go, I think another place, they are the stupid nonsense. Why I am saying? Because Chaitanya Charitamrita explained this way. So don't become Kala Krishna Das.